What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the intake install, ETS, finally. But what we're gonna do right now is I want to show you guys what it sounds like before I put the intake in, and then I'm gonna show you after. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys. First, we're gonna pop these off. Well, these already, I popped them off already, pre-popped them off. So we're gonna start taking this apart, taking the sensor off. I've never done anything like this of installing, so that clip's already off down there. I guess someone took this off before. Hose off. Airbox is off. At least most of it is. All right, and we're gonna keep this, so we're gonna take this whole housing and put on the new one. All right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this blow-up valve out. We're gonna have to get down there before we can screw this off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get all this out the way. Unscrew that, unscrew this. There's a clamp right here for the blow-up valve. So let's get these off. Out the way. Flathead screwdriver. Loosen that up. This would be a lot easier if you use a needle nose. This is what I got, so I'm gonna use. Cut that off. Alright, got that off. It's just very dirty. Make sure when you're doing this, you're wearing something you don't care about. You're gonna take the blow-up valve because I didn't buy one yet. So we're gonna reuse this one. Put that in there. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. Let's get this whole that clamp off. Alright, but remember, this wire right here goes to is for the blow-up valve, so I'm not gonna take that out just yet. Alright, you can see that one's out too. Let's get this out the way. All right, we got this off. So we're gonna take this off and put this onto the other one. All right, as you guys can see, I got this off, but it broke. Whoever took this out, I guess to change the filter that was in it, this was basically stripped in there. When I was screwing it, it was basically just spinning and spinning and spinning, and it came all the way out of the housing. So I'm gonna have to end up having to buy another one of these. But in the meantime, we're just gonna put this on there, and later on I'll end up getting another one. So, but alright, I got this piping out. I had to literally climb up on this shit and pull this shit out. This shit was in there real good, so we got this out. We're still working on getting this shit out of there. Undid the blow up valve hose. We have to get this out of here, this wire. But we're gonna keep that there. We're gonna keep that there for now. I unbolted the one down there, but it's still not coming out, so I might have to pull on this shit too. But we got this one off also. That's going to the boost controller. So we're gonna move that to the side because we're still gonna be using this also. So there we go. Got that out of there. Whew. All right, guys. I got the intake piping in. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the blow up valve hoses in, and we're just gonna switch over to the GoPro. All right, guys. Now we're doing the piping for the blow up valve. The first piping is gonna be the arch one. Alright, that's the bottom one's done. Now this top one. The top one's going to be coming from here, and then the blow up valve is gonna go here, like that, just like that. Push this down a little bit. Alright, then this. Alright, pay attention to this spot. This is actually the hardest part in this whole thing. The hosing, everything is easy. You can just put the hose down here, connect the hose. The arch one goes down here, you connect down there. The hardest part of this is changing out the hose. This will be the extra hose that will be coming with your ETS kick. So this will be running from your blow up valve to this right here where the blow up valve short one was. That's why they give you a longer one, because it's farther away. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna find here they are, the pliers, and we're gonna take this off to the blow up valve. Pinch that, bring it up. All right, we got this off. I did break it a little bit, but it doesn't matter. We don't need this. But what we do need is these little clamps that's around it. gonna put this on a new hosing on both sides. Make sure you push it all the way in. All right, that's in. Let's do the other side. Is this, and for the blow valve, it's the only one that's sticking up facing towards this way. You can see all the other lines are running straight towards the car. So I'm gonna put that in there. And what you could do, I'm actually gonna cut this a little bit more. There's a lot extra that we don't need. Make sure you don't cut off too little, but oh, here it is. Put that back on. All right, I got the heat shield in there. I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit. Like I was saying before, they stripped inside this, so we're gonna have to, we're gonna have to still bear with that. But putting this cuff link in, make sure you put that in there like that, and this is gonna slide in between there. So just put this in there. All right, that's in. All right, next, I'm gonna hook up this one right into here. This also, you saved. Didn't have to undo that, but it's coming from right here. That's why that's running right down under there. And I did cut a little bit of it. You can cut more if you want. Doesn't really need to be that long. I'm actually gonna cut off a little bit more because it's bending. Make sure you save that. There we go. Let's see how that is. Alright, that's good. Alright, and this would have like a little black piece on it. You just take that little black piece out. We're gonna use the old wire from over here. What I'm gonna have to do is come back and put clamps on these. I gotta run to the store and get some clamps, but for right now we're gonna leave it like this. But what we're gonna do is, see the small clamps that's on here, we're gonna get clamps to go around that. But that's it with the piping. That is really easy, everything itself. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna plug this up, the sensor. Alright, that's plugged right up, and we're gonna tighten this. We got to tighten that. Alright, we are done. Everything's tightened up. For the most part, everything's tightened up. You guys know I need to just go back and put clamps over that. But other than that, everything's good. Everything looks tucked in. Everything's tightened. Definitely hear the blow valve a lot more. Sounds amazing. Oh my god, fucking love it. My next pickup is probably going to be a blow valve. Thinking about going with Turbo Smart. I hear great things about them, so. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again. As you guys can see, it was very easy to put in. I don't know why. Don't even pay anyone to put this in for you. It's very, very easy. You can definitely do it yourself. I hope I was able to help you guys out. I had a little bit of trouble too, because it's the first time I've ever done anything like this. First time I ever like try to modify a car. But all I have to do now is just go get clamps. They clamp these two sides and everything's good. But for the most part, it was very easy. It's just all plug and play. So thanks for tuning in again, guys. If I was able to do it, you guys can do it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.